Just doing a quick update. Later we're going to do a demo of these Ninja Pyro Series canister shells. They're pretty badass. Also plan on doing a demo of the Skybolt rockets by Brothers. They're not bad. Can't wait to demo this guy off right here. Definitely going to have to do a demo of the Elite Force by Firework. It's actually a pretty kick-ass little cake. Same thing with High Flutin'. And these Say Cheese right here. I'll have to throw some of those up. Probably do a demo of the Everest canister shells by Brothers. Alright, thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe button. Thank you.